Hi, I'm Prabhutika Vijayatunga, psychological counselor. I'm taking this opportunity as a blessed to sharing my knowledge with you all on this World's Diabetic Day. First of all, I would like to thank Lion members of Lion Club of Colombo Downtown and Leo members of Leo Club of Colombo Plaza, Leo Club of Colombo Central to inviting me for this priceless engagement. Changes in blood sugar can cause rapid changes in your mood, and mental symptoms such as fatigue, being easily annoyed, trouble thinking clearly. Having diabetes can cause a condition called diabetic distress, which shares some traits of depression, anxiety, stress. People with diabetes are 2 to 3 times more likely to have a depression than people without diabetes. And stress also can make following your diabetic maintained routines very difficult. Stress is a main and common sensitive issue in the society nowadays, and it has become a main reason for developing different kinds of psychological and physiological disabilities, illnesses, and uncomfortableness. In psychology, we define stress in this way. Stress is a negative emotional experience accompanied by predictable biochemical, physiological, cognitive, and behavioral changes. Emotions are very important here. Emotions are very personal and it's differ to person to person. Our attitudes, perceptions, beliefs, norms are belongs to emotions. When it comes to stress, our attitudes, beliefs, perceptions, norms also take negative impact, negative mood. We can't escape from these stress, but we can nicely manage stress. A person who is creating negative emotions towards different circumstances in the society by him or herself is gonna be stressed. Another person who does not create any negative emotions towards same circumstances in the society is not gonna be stressed. Stress is an emotional situation, but it leads for change ourselves in different way, ourselves in negative way. It creates negative biological changes in our body. It creates psychological changes in negative way. It creates cognitive changes in negative way. And finally, it leads to negative behavioral changes in ourselves. We can't escape from these, but we can nicely manage. Stress intensity and the ability to tolerance are play a big main role in stress scenarios. We can reduce our stress levels by daily physical exercises, mental relaxation exercises, practicing meditation, engage with your favorites like reading, music, dancing, movies, and enjoying with your family members, engaging with your family members, following correct sleeping patterns, following good food habits. If those activities do not help to reduce, do not help to manage your stress levels, please contact your psychologist or a counselor for better guidance. Mental health conditions just like diabetes are treatable. Therapy is very important here. Therapy is an extremely helpful treatment option here. People with mental health condition, people without mental health conditions can benefit from it. Talk therapy. Talk therapy is not just for finding problems. Talk therapy is not just for discussing your problems. It may support to finding solutions also, and it may support to identify your medical health condition levels, mental health condition levels, and it may support to identify triggers that make things worse and learn coping skills. When it comes to therapy names, we can go through so many therapies: CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, family therapy, a dialective behavior therapy, DBT. We can go so many therapies through. Cognitive behavior therapy, CBT. CBT has main two aspects as behavioral part and cognitive part. Cognitive part may support to develop healthier beliefs in your life, about your life. Behavioral part support to take healthy actions according to your medical health conditions. CBT usually works well for depression, anxiety, and stress, bipolar disorders, but it can be used for other various conditions as well. Family therapy. Family therapy helps family members communicate, handle conflicts, solve problems better. These forms of family therapy used for bipolar disorder, eating disorder as well. Dialectical Behavioral Therapy (DBT) focuses on teaching skills in four main key areas: mindfulness, distress tolerance, emotional regulation, and interpersonal effectiveness. Diabetes is a common issue around the world now. Don't take it personal. Don't try to be a pessimistic person. Always try to be an optimistic person and stay positive. Be kind to yourself, indulge a little. Set short-term goals and improve yourself with health rewards. Stick with your diabetes management plan.